Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best power sanders for furniture refinishing. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 power sanders for furniture refinishing, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Orbital Sander. With speeds of up to 12,000 OPM, orbits per minute, the Black Plus Decker Random Orbital Sander provides great, swirl-free results in no time. According to one happy customer, it took a mere minutes to strip the finish off a table. This tool's other great features are the dust collection system that cuts down cleanup time, its lightweight and compact design, its grip handle, and its super economical price. One of the more than 8,000 positive reviewers, a hobbyist who refurbishes and upcycles old wood furniture, wrote of this little Black Plus Decker sander, "This does the job with ease. Placing the sandpaper on is a snap, and the dust filter does an excellent job minimizing mess and sawdust in the air." Another customer helpfully recommended purchasing a box of hook and loop sanding discs in assorted grits for these orbital sanders for more sanding variety. Number 2. Bosch RAS 20 VSC Palm Sander. Hand sanders can create a smooth finish on furniture restoration projects, and the variable speed Bosch Palm Sander is one such sander that comes highly recommended. This Amazon's Choice hand sander has a pad dampening system for low vibration and a microcellular backing pad which is perfect for fine sanding tasks. Thanks to its variable speed control, getting professional grade results is a breeze even for beginners. One customer who uses this palm sander for several furniture refinishing projects explained, "It is easy to use, comfortable in my hand, and doesn't shake my arm to the point that I feel fatigued after I use it on large items." Another happy buyer wrote, "This is the best orbit sander you can buy at this price. We have refinished some special family furniture pieces and this sander worked like a dream. Beautiful design, easy to hold, easy to clean, and it is a workhorse." Number 3. Makita BO 5030K 5 inches Random Orbit Sander. A good random orbital sander should be easy to control and able to cover large areas efficiently. If you're after these qualities in your finishing sander, Makita has come through with this random orbit sander with a ball bearing construction. With its rubber grip, sandpaper pad control system, and low vibration, this 12,000 OPM finishing sander is, according to one customer, comfortable to handle and easy to control. "I unpacked the sander, slapped on a disc, and put it to hard service," wrote one happy purchaser. "It is easy to use, feels solid in the hand, and is a workhorse. The carrying case is a nice bonus." Another customer described it as the best sander they've ever used and added that it's very user-friendly, fairly light, easy to attach/remove sandpaper, and it comes with this awesome storage case to help protect it and keep it clean. Number 4. DeWalt 20 volts Max Random Orbit Sander Kit. Corded sanders can be a hassle, cords getting in the way, unplugging and replugging to reach certain areas, and you almost always need to bring the extension cord out, but with the DeWalt cordless Random Orbit Sander, those problems are non-issues. Now users can get their projects done anywhere without being dragged down by a short cord. And the tool bag that comes with this tool makes sanding on the go even easier. Dust-sealed switch to protect against dust ingestion for long switch life. Texturized rubber over mold grip for comfortable sanding. One-handed locking dust bag. One customer, who finally got sick of the cord, used this sander on a 10-foot fence with some plastic wood filler to prepare it for painting, and explained that its small battery lasted through the whole project, and the sander did a very nice job. But, as with all cordless battery-powered tools, buying an additional battery to change it out whenever necessary is highly advisable. Number 5. Galax Pro Max 6 Variable Speeds Orbital Sander. Another great tool with a dust collection system for efficient, mess-free sanding, the Galax Pro Orbital Sander has a 5-inch sanding pad and speeds of up to 13,000 orbits per minute to take on large wood surface areas and get great results in less time. The dust collection system on these orbital sanders cuts down on cleanup time and is easy to empty, saving users from having to sacrifice the rest of their day cleaning up dust around the workspace. What you get: palm sander, 5 pieces sanding discs of 80 grits, 5 pieces sanding discs of 100 grits, 5 pieces sanding discs of 120 grits, dust collection bag, user manual. "For the price, it's a great buy and the dust collection actually works well," wrote one customer, and another satisfied shopper described, "The rubber outer body makes it comfortable to handle, the speed settings can be adjusted easily, and dust collection is easy and is far less messy." Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.